This video will show you how to use Sora to find and read ebooks and listen to audiobooks. There are two ways to access Sora, depending on your device. If you're on a phone or iPad, you can install the Sora app. If you're on a computer, you can use a browser to go to soraapp.com. Open up the Sora app or website and you'll see at the bottom of the screen a link that says I have a setup code. Click this link and type in our setup code, MISBO, all uppercase. From the drop-down menu, select University School of Nashville. Now you can put in your username, which is a 5-digit number that starts with 0, then uses your 4-digit student number or staff ID number. For example, if your student number is 1234, your username for Sora would be 01234. Your student or staff ID number is the same as your lunch number and your library number. It is also in your profile on the USN website. If you have trouble logging in, contact a librarian for help. Once you're logged into Sora, use the icons on the bottom to navigate between 4 different pages. The home page is where you will find books that have been assigned or recommended to you. The Explore page is where you search the catalog. The Shelf page is where you'll see any books that you check out, and the Me page has your profile information. On the Explore page, there are several ways to search for ebooks and audiobooks. You can use the search bar in the upper left-hand corner to search for specific books or authors, or you can scroll down to see collections of books in different genres or about different topics. You can also look down the list of popular subjects, like juvenile fiction or biographies. If you click on a subject such as juvenile nonfiction, you'll see a page where you can start browsing all the books with that subject. Some subjects have thousands of books, so you can narrow down the list to make it easier to browse. At the top of the page, there are several phrases inside dotted lines. These tell you how many ebooks and audiobooks have this subject, and also how many books have this subject, juvenile nonfiction, and another subject such as science or history. These are all clickable links, so you can see any of these smaller lists. You can also use the Preferences menu on the left to filter your results. Clicking on Available Books lets you choose between seeing all results or only books that are currently available for checkout. If you look at Format, you can select to see only audiobooks or only ebooks. These preferences will apply to all your searches until you change them. When you want to check out a book, click Borrow near the cover image and it should open up automatically. To get back to the catalog, you may close it and use the back pointer arrow to get back to the catalog to search. When you're ready to return a book, go to the Shelf page, click on Options, search for Return, and click on Return. This is also where you can send this book to another device like a Kindle, or where you can renew it. Have fun exploring Sora. If you need help logging in or any help with Sora, or if you want to recommend a book for the library to purchase, please contact a librarian.